Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I've been gone for so long and I'm finally getting myself to make a makeup video. But I have half of my makeup done because I came to the realization that I should probably do a makeup tutorial. So here we are. So you guys know my little my butterfly eyeliner that I love to do. So I'm gonna use one product for that, and it's this e.l.f. eyeliner. It is e.l.f. Expert Liquid Eyeliner, and it's in jet black. In my opinion, I think that this is probably the easiest butterfly eyeliner. Hopefully it's not too hard, but yeah, I'm going to try to do step by step and show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I hope that you guys can follow along to this or send this to your friends or something. I don't know, it's really fun. Blackest liquid eyeliner that I've found, and I love it. Literally love it. Holy grail. So yeah, let's get right into it. So you guys are very close. But I'm going to I'm gonna start off by, hold on, center line all the way up. So I'm just gonna draw a straight line. And then we're gonna bring it over to about here. Sometimes I put like markers so I know like where to stop. I hope you guys can see this, sorry. Okay, it's very rough, but you get the idea. I'm sorry, I'm literally losing my voice from the Madison Beer concert like a week ago. Next thing I'm going to do is you're gonna draw a semicircle and then draw the line down to connect this one. I feel like I can't breathe when I'm doing eyeliner. So something like that. Draw another half semicircle here and connect it to the same line that you just drew. Okay, so we're gonna draw the next line almost following exactly where my crease is. So I marked it here because I want it to end here, so I'm going to follow it here and connect it like that. From here, I'm just gonna draw a line to kind of make a wing, and then draw another semicircle here. Like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill the rest of this part in. If you mess up, it's okay. Just get concealer. My lash line with the eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna make the little inner corner. We're just going to draw basically like a circle for the other wing, like this. Draw one more. Like that. So something like that. And I'm just taking black eyeshadow. I'm just taking the one from the Avani palette. And I'm just putting it Alright, so it should look something like this. Now I'm just gonna smoke this line out a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna go do the other eye and I'll finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. That's basically it. And I'll put on a lash, so one second. Hey guys, so I added lashes. This is a finished eye look. So I'm gonna add blush, lipstick, highlight, all that stuff. But I wanted to show you guys this freckle pen that I got from Sephora. And it makes you have very natural freckles, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. So yeah, very dirty, but I'm taking the Morphe 9B palette, and for blush lately I've just been using this one here or the one beside it that's Hit Pans. What I use for my fake freckles is this freckle pen from Sephora. It's called Freck XL. And honestly, I don't know what color this is. It doesn't say anywhere, I don't think. But there's two options. There's black or this one. So, so basically what you do is just literally everywhere. So, okay. And then what you do is I just grab my finger and honestly, just like pat it in. I'm gonna add lipstick and highlight. Combination for lipstick I've been using lately, literally these three from MAC. It's the Subculture, so I just line my lips as usual with Subculture. And then I apply the Honey Love lipstick, and then I put the spice right at the Cupid's bow and at the bottom. So yeah. You guys, I remember there was a time in my life where I didn't wear lip liner with lipstick. Ooh. Sometimes I go in with lip gloss as well, so I think I'm gonna add lip gloss to this look. I'm taking the Palladio lip gloss in Pink Pearl. I actually love this brand's lip glosses, not sponsored, I promise. But they're just really shiny and not sticky. I ran out of setting spray. Usually before I apply highlight I would so my camera cut off. Anyways, I finished my makeup because I didn't realize it stopped recording. That's fun. Yeah, I just applied highlight. The highlighter that I used was the MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension. I really love this highlighter. And then I also added, just for a little bit more of a glow, this collab liquid eyeshadow, the Glitter and Go. I'm not really sure what shade this is, but it like added a nice glow to my face. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, also, be sure to follow me on my TikTok if you want to see more like everyday makeup, or like my makeup looks that I wear every day. So yeah, I will be posting more makeup tutorials, I promise. I just need to find the time to do that. I'm kind of juggling a lot right now, so I'm sorry if I'm inactive on here, but I really hope that this video helps some people, and this was like a okay-ish tutorial and I didn't totally flop, so yeah. That being said, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!